welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Do you wish that you could just go in the kitchen, whip something up, put it on your face and wait for 30 minutes, and after 30 minutes you walk out with bright glowing skin, with tight wrinkle-free skin? Well, guess what? Today I have a wonderful remedy for you. This is a 2-ingredient remedy that you can use on your skin for younger looking skin. It is truly an anti-aging facial mask. This mask is gonna get rid of all the wrinkles and fine lines from your skin. It is gonna tighten the skin. It is also gonna clear the skin of any spots and blemishes, and guess what? It is gonna give you a wonderful glow to the skin. So if you're looking to have younger, fresher, brighter, clear, clean skin, this video is for you, so continue watching. Our first ingredient is egg, and I'm using a medium egg. Now, egg can benefit the skin by improving skin texture, whether you have dry or oily skin. Egg yolk is rich in fatty acid, which can moisturize the skin, while the white contains albumin, a simple form of protein that helps tighten pores and also remove excess oil from the skin. Egg is also great for getting rid of wrinkles and fine lines. Our next ingredient is banana, and banana have a good amount of vitamin C, which help your skin to look young and youthful. Banana help to get rid of the dullness from your skin. It also help to moisturize the skin. If you have dry skin, if you're looking to even your skin tone out, banana is gonna do just that for you. Banana is also great for getting rid of spots and blemishes from the skin. Now for this recipe, I'm only going to be using the egg yolk. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to separate the egg yolk from the egg white. So I'm just going to crack my egg open, and it's pretty easy to separate the yolk. That's egg white. Getting all of it out. And here we have our egg yolk, and this is what we're going to use with our banana. I'm going to put the egg white aside for another recipe. So next I'm going to prepare the banana, and I'm going to use half of this medium banana. So I'm just going to cut a half, and here it is, and I'm going to peel. So here we have our banana peel, and here we have our banana. Before we toss the banana peel, we're going to scrape the inner part of the banana peel. Since this is loaded with a lot of nutrients and minerals, that is great for getting rid of spots and blemishes from the skin. So we're going to use it all up. And now we could toss this, and here is the banana peel. We're gonna put this aside, and this is our half of banana. And now we're gonna chop the banana, and we're chopping this for easier blending. And this is our banana ready. So here are the ingredients. We have our egg yolk, and we have our banana and banana peel, and now we're gonna put this together. We're gonna use our entire egg yolk. So we're gonna add our egg yolk to the blender. We're gonna take our half a banana and banana peel, and we're gonna add this to the blender also. We're gonna cover, and we're gonna blend. Do not add any liquid to this. We're gonna blend this as is. And here is our banana and egg yolk, and we're gonna pour it in our bowl. So here we have our egg and banana facial mask, but before we use this as a facial mask, we're going to use this to make a facial scrub also. So we're going to take 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, and we're going to take 2 tablespoons of our facial mask. We're going to mix this in the brown sugar. And here we have our facial scrub. So we're going to use this facial scrub to exfoliate our face just before we use our facial mask. So we have our egg banana brown sugar facial scrub, and we have our egg banana facial mask. So now I'm going to show you how to use these two for young, bright, radiant, wrinkle-free looking skin. Now here we have our 2 steps, and I'm just going to demonstrate for you. The first thing you're going to do, you're going to use your exfoliator to exfoliate the skin. To exfoliate the skin, you want to wash your face. If you're wearing any form of makeup, get rid of all of that off your face, and then you're going to exfoliate the face. So you're just going to take a little on your hands, and this is best done in the shower. Like this. You're going to rub it up, and you're going to feel the granules from the sugar, and just rub it in your hands first, and then you exfoliate your skin. Now, if you have acne, this is good for your skin also. If you have dry skin, this is good. If you have large pores, this is gonna help to clean the pores. This is a wonderful treatment for the skin. And this is my exfoliation for the day, so I'm doing a good job here. Let me come up close. Just exfoliate. Now after exfoliating the skin, you're gonna rinse this off with some cold water. Now your skin is ready, your pores are clean, your grease are gone, the dead skin cells are all gone, and your skin is now ready to drink up the facial mask. Now here is the facial mask, and you're gonna apply the facial mask on your face, your neck, your décolleté area. Now you can use a brush to apply the facial mask, or you can use your hands. Since I'm just demonstrating, I'm going to use my hands to apply the mask. So I just put the mask in my hands like this. Wow, nice. And just be generous with it all over your face. Just apply the mask. You have wrinkles at the corner, don't forget, you could go as close. Right under. I'm gonna go back for some more. I'm loving this. I'm so loving this. And there's no egg smell. You're smelling just banana right here. So be generous with this. Now for those of you who have wrinkled hands, don't waste the product, just use it on your hands. It's gonna do wonders for your hands also, okay? Once your face is completely covered with this facial mask, you're gonna have fun. You're gonna sit with it for about 30 minutes, 45 minutes to an hour. Let the facial mask penetrate the skin. Just sit with it. Do not be in any rush to get this off your skin. Just let it soak it up. Just enjoy it, okay? Now this is my skin after wearing my mask for about 30 minutes. And as you could see, take a look up here. It's like it's drying on the skin. It's not gonna be completely dry, but you're gonna get this drying effect on the skin. Now after about 30 minutes or so, you're gonna rinse this off with some warm water. When you rinse off, what is gonna happen is that you, first of all, while wearing this like I am feeling right now, I can feel my skin tightening. It's like a cool breeze, a very refreshing feeling going on my skin, which is amazing. So then you're gonna rinse it off and you're gonna pat dry. You can choose to do a bit of a facial massage and apply your favorite moisturizer. However, before you apply your facial moisturizer, just take your hands and rub it on your face and you're gonna see how soft, how supple, how radiant, how tone. Your skin is gonna feel so amazing that you're gonna want to try it at least 2 to 3 times per week. Okay, so there you have it. Thank you all for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share the video and leave your comments. And if this was the first time watching, guess what? Look below, you're gonna see the word subscribe. Click on it and you will be subscribed. Also at the side there's a little bell. If you click on that, you will get a notification each time I upload a video. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.